I'm standing in Arcadia, Greece, where a myth once wore marble like armor. They called her Athena Alea, warrior, healer, guardian of borders. And her temple at Tegea was so revered that fugitives claimed sanctuary at her feet. Myth says Athena was born with strategy in her bones, the cool head in a world of hot tempers. Out here, that cool head turned into cool stone, columns, friezes, and a statue so celebrated that emperors coveted it. Now look down. Shattered bases, broken drums, a map of emptiness where a roof once cast shade. The myth is loud, but the ruins whisper. Pausanias, the ancient travel blogger, wrote that the original temple burned and rose again, rebuilt in gleaming style by a master sculptor. Processions came through these very lines in the dirt. Oaths were sworn. Exiles breathed easier under her gaze. But history is a tide. Statues get relocated, tiles crack, earthquakes argue with architecture. Today, Athena Alea is less a building and more a question. What do we choose to remember when the marble forgets? I picture the pediments bursting with myth, boar hunts, and heroes. Then I match them to these stones like a puzzle with missing pieces. Archaeologists have been doing that patiently for a century, measuring, sketching, reassembling story from dust. And yet, something remains perfectly intact: the function. This place still draws people looking for refuge, from noise, from schedules, from the scrolling present. I came for a goddess. I found a threshold. Athena Alea once kept the line between chaos and order. Maybe that's what ruins are. Lines we can still cross. Step over, and the myth turns into memory. Yours, mine, ours. Held together, not by columns, but by attention. If you ever make it here, bring silence. It's the one offering that always fits.